Hello everyone, this is Jag. In this video I'll cover 15 vegetables you should and you must grow in summer. So let's get started. Number 1. Tomatoes. Every gardener likes to grow tomatoes and it is a no-brainer to grow tomatoes in summer. However, I recommend growing heirloom tomatoes along with cherry tomatoes and yellow pear tomatoes. These tomatoes are absolutely delicious. The determinate variety of tomatoes produce tomatoes all at once, while indeterminate tomatoes keep producing all summer long. Number 2. Eggplants. There are many different varieties of eggplants. The two varieties I like to grow are Japanese eggplants and black beauty eggplants. Eggplants grow throughout the summer and keep producing up until fall. Eggplants are really good roasted. Number 3. Hot peppers. You must grow chilies or hot peppers in summer. Chilies are very easy to grow. Most varieties peak at about 3 feet and are very easy to manage. Chilies have almost no pest problems. Once the plant's established, you will be able to harvest lots of chilies all throughout the summer. Number 4. Sweet peppers. You can also grow sweet peppers in summer, such as bell peppers or capsicum, depending on the part of the world you're from. Bell peppers can be very difficult to grow depending on your soil and nutrient levels. Plant bell peppers in your garden with lots of compost and harvest and enjoy bell peppers all summer long. Number 5. Okra. Not many gardeners grow okra, however, okra is very easy to grow. Make sure to plant okra in soil containing some compost. Plants produce continuous supply of okra all throughout the summer as long as you keep picking regularly. Okra is really good stir-fried. Number 6. Green beans. Green beans are one of my favorite vegetables to grow in summer. Most green bean varieties produce green beans all at once, so plant in succession at 2-week intervals. This way you will have a continuous supply of green beans all throughout the summer. Number 7. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes don't grow like potatoes. Sweet potatoes belong to the morning glory family of plants and you must grow sweet potatoes from slips. Check out the video I made on the easiest way to grow sweet potato slips. Grow slips for about 4 to 8 weeks and then plant slips in your garden. Sweet potatoes will take another 4 months to harvest from the time you plant sweet potato slips. You'll have a lot of sweet potatoes by fall. Number 8. Cucumbers. You can grow many different varieties of cucumbers in summer. I love to grow Armenian cucumbers. And I love snacking on these. They're so good, I can just eat it off the plant. They're amazing. Number 9. Gourds. All gourds are very easy to grow in summer. I like to grow bitter gourd. It's extremely bitter, however, it is very good for your health. Number 10. Squash. Squash grow like crazy in summer. Squash plants can grow really large, so make sure you give them enough space to grow. Number 11. Pumpkins. Pumpkins also grow really well in summer. Pumpkins take about 3 to 4 months to harvest, so plant in June to harvest by Halloween. Number 12. Basil. Basil is very easy to grow. Space basil at about 1 foot apart and prune basil for much bigger and bushier plant. I made a video on how to prune basil and how to grow basil from a cutting. Basil will keep producing up until weather gets below 50°F or 10°C at night. Basil will also grow well in shade or partial shade. Basil is one of the most popular herbs and every gardener should grow basils to add to soup, salads, pasta and sandwiches. Number 13. Mint. Mint is a perennial in most climates. It will die back in winter and start growing again in spring and throughout all summer and fall. Be careful where you plant mint. Mint grows like a weed. Plant mint in a very confined space such as a raised bed, otherwise mint will overtake your garden. I prefer to plant my mint in shade or partial shade. Full sun makes the mint leaves a bit tough. Planting in shade keeps the leaves bigger and softer. Number 14. Parsley. Parsley is another herb that does really well in summer. Start parsley from seed indoors and then plant parsley outside in your garden in summer. Number 15. Corn. Most of corn is heavily genetically modified. Make sure you plant organic non-GMO corn seeds and plant seeds directly in your garden. Corn takes about 3 to 4 months to harvest and tastes way more delicious than any store-bought corn. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you grow some of these vegetables in your garden this summer and you get a bountiful harvest, and I'll see you in another video.